All right, Miguel. Everything's on. Let's do this. Another episode of Why I Build the Fucking War Machines. Okay. Oh. Hello there. Nope. Okay. Sorry, I identify as over 230 pounds. That's not gonna work. Well, welcome, you guys. Adam Steele here in Warhouse Gym. Another episode of Why the Fuck I'm Building the War Machines. Anyways, let me introduce you to something. You've probably seen like the how-to coming out with Sheila, our bikini competitor, is super badass. This is fun. I call it the tricep reloader. And so essentially it's a skull crusher, like over the head, and the behind the head skull crush machines. It has a posted release. It's kind of fun. You probably saw before. You can, grab it really easy. It's dynamic. You lift it up, it releases. You can set it back down. Super great. I also like to use it for behind the head, if you're very comfortable behind the head, for shoulders as well. I wanted to come up with a tricep machine that was a bit not as so basic as far as like, your hoists and different companies that have the tricep extension where you're just like pushing the arms straight out. Very basic, like you would do if you're laying down doing a dumbbell, or a cable or something simple. I believe that the stability factor of skull crushers and kind of in the pullover when you're doing free weight, whether it's incline behind the head, like vertically, or an incline position, or even flat, that the stretch, that the reach back here, without having to be as stable as when you start to force, can really compromise your rotator cuffs and some different things like that. So I kind of wanted to really come up with something that would be dynamic as well as intense and get that, behind the head and that ultimate, stretch where you just have that really nice vertical alignment with your body, with your tricep and your entire torso. So this is how this one came into play. I added little different mechanisms than some of my usual. I added the springs to go back for a locking post, so to be sat down in a neutral position. So depending on your height in the seat, you could reach up and grab it, things like that. It was just really fun. Got a cool little like two-way gas pedal here for when it releases. It springs back, giving you full range of motion. And when you want to lock it down, the pedal's kind of cool. So that was kind of fun. Get a little strut that goes behind the seat out of your way. And that helps you to actualize that as far as being able to unlock it and lock it. Kind of a cool concept there. Fairly simple. I really liked it. So far, with the prototyping, they're hideous, essentially, but they work super good. So when we go to do the showroom versions for San Antonio and the new markets and stuff like that in Europe, these are going to be like finished showroom product, all that with all the bells and whistles and nice hardware and weight tree and things like that. So, yeah, essentially, why I build the war machines. Because I fucking can. I seem to be pretty good at it. So, gonna have a few more coming out. Appreciate you guys checking this out. It's really cool. There's some really great clips of us like putting it together. I gotta thank Miguel, our media team. It's a one-man army making all this stuff happen. Chris Benavides and helping me apprenticing with coming out with all these new war machines. The production level I've been able to achieve with competent and good solid help has been really great. So Mel, everyone on the team is super great. And the support, the members trying stuff out, not being afraid to hop on the war machines has been fantastic. I'm trying to make it more adaptable. It's also approachable. So it's not like a foreign concept. You can sit into it, you can see the machine, and you're able to, utilize it and get the functionality out of it that we want, because, it's not some crazy obscure contraption. Like Fanata, love Fanata out of Italy, but some of their stuff looks impossible to use. I just need a manual or somebody to walk me through it. Almost like learning to drive a car for the first time that has, a clutch and everything. It's like, I gotta grip this and hold, where does it latch? I don't know what the fuck's going on. Anyway, so we like the war machines, super simple. Come check them out, you guys. And if you like this, subscribe below. Like it, please, super like it on the channel. And I've got some more coming right now. We're gonna do a Razorback low pull, as requested from the members, so we're gonna do some super dope shit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some lunch and continue to identify as a grown-ass man over 230. All right, see you.